Hello! In this assignment, I will demonstrate how to manage users and organizational units using Active Directory and how to apply NTFS permission. First, I create several organizational units to represent different departments in the company, such as ADR, IT, management, research stakeholders, accounting, and auditors. And next, I create multiple uses, including Frodo, Gollum, Pippin, Aragorn, Gandalf, Legolas, and others. After creating the users, I organized them into their respective organizational units. For example, Frodo was placed in AGR, Sam and Mary in the research, Gimli in IT. And this structure helps improve organization and allows better control over users in a network environment. Now, I will show the folder structure. I create a main folder called the Middle-earth, and inside it I create subfolders that match the organizational units. After that, I configured an NTFS permission for each folder. For example, Frodo has full control of Frodo has full control over the AGR folder. And while Sam and Mary have modified access to the research folder. For the management folder, although the requirement specify read and write capabilities and NTFS. This setup ensures a proper access control and reflects how permissions are managed in a real-world environment. In conclusion, this assignment demonstrates how Active Directory and NTFS permissions work together and provide a structure, security, and efficient management of users and resources.